with the inadequacy of the lights at the National Stadium falling below the standards required for international football is yet another national embarrassment. Another basic fundamental that we are make look like rocket science. I mean, it's some bulb in the light tower blowing up and want to replace. And now days before the start of the big World Cup qualifiers, we're hearing we might have to play our opening game in the midweek sun hot instead of the originally scheduled late evening kickoff. And obviously, this would discombobulate everything, including the comfort zone of the players and the support for the team. As it is now, we are trying to express import some light bulb to fling them in quick and fast for the inspection and the game next Thursday. And if club champions Cavalier was not fined by CONCACAF for the inadequacy of these same lights used in the CONCACAF championships, if that never happened, we would not hear dog bark about the stadium lights. We would not hear